Are you looking for one more product per deal? Well, of course you are. Everybody's looking for one more product per deal. And ancillary products can be the key to finding that extra product, especially those that are attractive to all deal types. New cars, used cars, lease deals, cash deals, and of course finance deals. Key is the perfect example. So what is the key to selling more key? 1. Start with getting some help from your sales team. Have them insert the following question during a trade evaluations. You know the one they're supposed to do? Will you be providing us with both key fobs today? Have them note that response on the appraisal system. This allows you to have the information prior to your interview and helps guide your discussion with the customer. 2. Revisit the key conversation during your interview. If they only have one fob, say something like, "I noticed Jimmy said you only had one fob today. Would it be possible to get the additional one?" The reason I ask is because keys are so expensive to replace, we just always try to get both of those up front. 3. Change the conversation if they said they have both keys. "I noticed that you gave Jimmy both fobs today. Were they the original ones that came with the vehicle?" Well, thank you for bringing those in. They're just so expensive to replace. In fact, those are new proximity remotes that you have on your new vehicle. They're about $500 to replace now, so please keep those safe. These quick conversations and adding the word original allows us to discover the customer's history with lost, damaged, and stolen keys, and at the same time provides awareness needed to make a good decision when you discuss key with them. Hey, I'm Dwayne Wiggins with the Automotive Training Academy. Thank you for watching.